Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you can hear my washing machine in the background, I'm so sorry. Your girl's gotta do some chores. We're realistic on this channel, and sometimes the washing machine is going, and that's just how it's gonna have to be. I know you guys can still hear me loud and clear, right? Loud and clear. So ignore the washing machine in the back.
You in the hood now, baby.
For today's video, I really wanted to try some amigurumi for the first-ish time. Earlier this week, I did make these amigurumi little bookmarks. There's a tutorial up for them on my TikTok and on my Instagram. I'll post both right here if you're interested. But today I'm gonna try something a little different. We're gonna try to make some pumpkins today without using a pattern, because I have a general idea of how to create a pumpkin. So I think I'll be okay without a pattern. We'll see if that changes. I don't have any Halloween decorations up right now. I don't have any fall vibes going on in my house. So I figured what better way to try amigurumi for the first time than to make some fall decorations and make some pumpkins, because I don't know if anybody has noticed, but the pumpkins in the store this year have been expensive. I went to Whole Foods for a pumpkin and it was $10. So we're just gonna take this $5 yarn right here and make some pumpkins for ourselves. So I'm gonna be using this orange yarn, of course, for the pumpkin. I have this green yarn for the stem. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook, and I also bought some polyfill to put in the pumpkin. But before we get into the video, you know I gotta take care of the housekeeping. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, because I don't know what you're waiting for. You've been enjoying all my videos thus far. You might as well go ahead and subscribe and turn that notification bell on too, because YouTube will not let you know when I post. The best way to know when I post is by clicking that notification bell. And I have decided that I will be posting videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. So yeah, make sure you have your notification bell on so you know when I post. My goal for this video is for it to be really chill vibes. This is not a tutorial because I don't even know what I'm doing, because this is me trying amigurumi for the first-ish time. So yeah, this is by no means a tutorial. This is just like a little crochet with me. Sit down, you know, bust out the work that you're working on. Or if you're not a crocheter and you just want to watch me, I love that too. So just whatever you're working on, just, you know, work on it. Have me playing in the background, because this is not a tutorial. Now let's get into the video.
Excel on the track.
Okay, so I finished the body of the pumpkin, and I am going to start on the stem. And while I was making this pumpkin, I kind of enjoyed it, so I think I'm gonna make another pumpkin with this white yarn that I have a little bit left over from a previous project. So yeah, like a little and a white pumpkin. And I might, if I have more left over, I'll probably make another pumpkin with this color too. I don't know yet, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
Excel on the track.
Oh my gosh, she's done. She looks a little funny, but I like it. What do you think? Do you like it? So now I'm going to start on the white one. They're so cute. So I think that I am going to turn them into jack-o'-lanterns just because I want to do something a little different, and it is Halloween, so we could give it like a little spooky vibe. Now, I don't have any embroidery experience, but I do have some black yarn and a big tapestry needle, so I think I can figure it out. So let's turn these cute little pumpkins into jack-o'-lanterns. Guys, look at how cute these pumpkins came out. This one is my little jack-o'-lantern, my little jack-o'-pumpkin, and then this one is a regular pumpkin because honestly I'm tired of working on this and I don't feel like turning this one into a jack-o'-lantern. But I think that they are adorable. Oops. And honestly, for my first time, I think I did pretty good. Leave me your thoughts in the comments. Do you think I did good, or do you think that they look a little wonky? Because they do look a little wonky, but they're my wonky pumpkins. Ooh, that's hard to say. They're my wonky pumpkins and I love them. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, because this is where we'll be ending for today. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and like this video if you liked this video, and turn your notification bell on so that you see the next time I post. Don't forget to let me know how you feel about these pumpkins in the comments, and I love you guys so much for watching. See you next time.